In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose, essentially flipping rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is a handy technique when you need to reformat your data so that the direction of your rows and columns is swapped. Maybe your data started in columns, but you realize it would make more sense laid out in rows, or vice versa. Let's dive into this straightforward process so you can get your data looking just the way you want it. First, you'll need to select the rows or columns that you want to transpose. To do this, head over to your Google Sheets document. Click and hold on the first cell of the range you want to transpose. Then drag your cursor to highlight the entire set of data. You can also hold down the Shift key and click the last cell in the range to select everything between those 2 points. If your data spans large areas, this method might be faster and more efficient. Once you've selected the necessary data, it's time to copy or cut it. Right-click on the highlighted area and you'll see options to either copy or cut. If you want to keep the original data intact, choose Copy. However, if you intend to move the data and clear the original space, Cut would be your choice. Both options will store your selected data temporarily in the clipboard to be used in the next step. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut keys, Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+X for cut on Windows, or Command+C and Command+X on a Mac. Now that you've copied or cut your data, the next step is to select where you'd like this transposed data to appear. Click on the cell that will serve as the starting point, or the top left corner of your new transposed data range. For example, if you're transposing a dataset that was 4 rows by 3 columns, you'll need an open area that is 3 rows by 4 columns for the transposed data. With your target cell selected, you'll want to right-click and hover over the Paste Special option in the menu that appears. Here is where the magic happens. Under the Paste Special menu, select Transpose. This command will take your previously copied or cut data and flip its rows and columns to fit your new layout. And there you have it. Your data is now transposed into the new format you specified, making it easier for analysis or presentation. Transposing data can be quite useful, whether you're working on simple data visualization or preparing more complex datasets for further manipulation. This process not only reorganizes your data, but can also prevent errors and streamline your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial both clear and helpful. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy transposing.